Let's continue with the homonuclear diatomic molecules. Boron molecule. Boron atom with atomic number 5. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. There is unpaired electron in p orbital, that is, it has half-filled p orbital. Overlap of two 2px orbital of two boron atom along x-axis produces boron molecule having sigma bond, and it forms number of compounds like BCl3, BH3. As you can see, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. It's the electronic configuration of boron molecule, right? So 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So this p orbital have one electron, 2p1, right? So there is unpaired electron in p orbital. So it will form bond with another vacant p orbital of boron atom to form a boron-boron sigma bond, and it will form B2 molecule. And also it forms number of compounds like BCl3, BH3. Beryllium molecule. Beryllium atom with atomic number 4. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 has two paired up electron in the orbit of outermost shell. It has no half-filled orbital. As you can see, 1s2, 2s2. So the both 1s as well as 2s atomic orbital is completely filled. So there is no half-filled orbital. So the bond order is 0. So there will be no bond between beryllium and beryllium. Right? Next is C2 molecule. Carbon has atomic number 6. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. C2 molecule has a double covalent bond, and the structure of C2 molecule as carbon-carbon double bond. Carbon form number of compound and almost tetravalent. As you can see, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So the C2 molecule has a double covalent bond, and the structure of C2 molecule is carbon-carbon double bond along with the lone pairs. Next is N2 molecule. Nitrogen atom has atomic number 7. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Nitrogen atom has 3 half-filled p orbital along px, py, pz axis. So the nitrogen molecule is represented as nitrogen-nitrogen triple bond along with the lone pairs. Oxygen molecule. Oxygen atom has atomic number 8. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Oxygen atom has 2 half-filled p orbital and which overlap to form two covalent bonds as a sigma bond and pi bond. As you can see, 2p4 is half-filled atomic orbital, right? So It will form sigma bond and pi bond, two covalent bonds. Fluorine molecule. Fluorine atom has atomic number 9, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. So here is one unpaired electron. Fluorine atom has one half-filled p orbital and form one covalent bond. And now next is neon molecule. It has atomic number 10, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So there is no any half-filled atomic orbital since it completes its octet state. Neon exists as monoatomic element in the form of gas. One s2, 2s2, 2p6. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So there is no any vacant place. There is no any unpaired electron. So it is completely filled its octet state. Neon exists as monoatomic element in the form of gas.